Okay, we are about to get into one of my favorite features, which is templates. I think this is one of the features where CampaignCore really shines because it gives you the ability to do a few things to build beautiful templates without really needing to know code. So, of course, the first thing you need to do is you can or need to generate a template. So there's three different ways you can do it. You can generate a template with AI, which we're not going to go through during this video. That's an advanced video that's later in the series. You can start from one of our 10 designs, or you can start from scratch and drag and drop, just kind of like PowerPoint, and build an experience. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit start from starter template. There are 10 for you to choose from. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit order confirmation here. This is so cool. It's actually going to load this order confirmation template, and all I have to do, like, I can literally type information. Like, this isn't a bunch of code. It is what we call a WYSIWYG editor. I can add in new sections. I can add in videos, icons, forms, inputs. Like, this is an email that we're really building, right? And we can utilize within our platform to make sure that it looks great. It also has in a built-in unsubscribe, which is so important when you're doing marketing emails. And it has a bunch of different features. So if you want to not be bothered and you want to look at this in full screen, you can hit the full screen mode. If you're working with a developer because you want to take this and you want to code it to have some sort of special thing that you don't know how to do, you can work with one of these great agencies that I'll plug. It's called Pixel and Purpose, pixel-and-purpose.com. Amazing design company to work for. But you can hit this code button, and it's so cool because it like gives you the code directly to copy and paste over, and then you can put this in a different editor. You can export it and use Canva, Webflow, all those really cool things. Once you're done with this, all you gotta do is hit the save button at the top of the page. It's gonna save the template. Now when I go back, I've got a template here. I can preview it. I'm gonna see what it looks like on desktop. I'm gonna look like what it is on mobile. And then I'm good to go. So that was like 60 seconds. We looked at how to like create a template from a starter. If you are a little bit more creative or inventive, you can actually create from scratch as well. So you can come in here, start building your email. So I can start pulling columns in. I can add a heading. I can change text, right? So once I'm done, once I get it right, I can even code this with HTML. So if I see something on the web, I want to edit it using this editor, I can do it that way. Once I'm done, I hit save. So cool. When I go back, right, we have a second template. So these are being built in real time. And as soon as you build it, you're ready to use it. And I'll show you here how you utilize templates and sending emails.